Student, in the last class we were learning till here that when Tom promised that he will love his plant. Okay, so Tom says that he will love his plant. I promise to love my plants, says Tom. Okay, the children take good care of the garden. Soon the little green stalks grow tall and strong. Okay, so stalk means the stem. Okay, the weak stem is called stalks. Okay, so when all the kids promise that they will take good care of the garden, they will love their plants. After some time they care for the plants, and after some time what happens? The weak plants get into the stronger plants. Okay, tiny buds appear, and when the plant get bigger, what happens? The buds appear, right? And after the budding there must be flower, and after the flower there must be fruits also. Okay, so when all the children care for the plants, the weak plants get into the stronger plants. Okay, get into the stronger plants, and stronger plants have the budding. Okay, they have the buds, and one by one they turn into the beautiful flowers. When there is bud, there must be flowers, right? When that will grow, the bud will grow into the flower only. Okay, so when all the plants get into the stronger plants, and then after their bud appear on that plant, and the buds change into the beautiful flowers. Okay, they are all of different colors. The vegetables too hang on the stems with pride. Okay, so they have flowers, and all the flowers were of different colors. Okay, there must be red flowers, there must be green flowers. All the flowers were different of colors. Okay, and also on the plant there the vegetables also hang on the stems. Okay, the vegetables hang on the stem with pride means that all the vegetables also hang on the stems. Okay, the children take a small pot in which the plants has flowers. Okay, they place it on the dining table. The children, all the flowers were in the garden, right? The flower plants were in the pots. So they took a plant in which the flower was flowered which was flowered. They took a pot and they placed that pot on the dining table. Okay, Farmer Sam smiles. Wow, what a beautiful plant. So the children did hard work to grow the plants. They took care of the plants, and all the plants get into the big plant, and all the buds appear on the plants, the stems of the plant, and the buds change into the flowers. So children took the flower and they put it on the dining table. When the their father saw the flower pot, he was very happy. He was happy because he taught his children how to do gardening, and his children do the same. They learned how to do gardening, and they did the hard work to grow the plants, and that was the result of their hard work, that the plant were flowered. Okay, so he said that wow, what a beautiful plant. Okay, then he looks at the basket of round pulp red tomatoes, curly green lettuce leaves, bright yellow lemons, carrots, and rows of fresh green peas in a pod. Okay, pod means the covering of peas. So there was the pot of flour and there was also a basket. In the basket there was red tomatoes, there was green lettuce leaf, there was yellow lemon, and there was pod of peas. Okay, and carrots also, red carrots. Father, it is like a pretty story come true, Tim and Tia says happily. Okay, all the things were on their table. All the things were on the table. All the red tomatoes, the yellow lemons, the green lettuce leaf, and the carrots, and the flowers also was there on the dining table. So Tim and Tia says that, Father, it is like a dream come true. Why it is like a dream come true? Because before sometimes their father taught them that how to do gardening, and after some time they got the result also of their hard work. So it was like a dream come true for them, that they learn the gardening and they do the hard work and they get the result of their hard work. Okay. Yes, God's three fairies help you, Father says. When they said that that was the dream come true, that it was in their imagination that all the things will appear and all the things were in their front. So they were very happy. So their father says that yes, it was your hard work, but all the three fairies of the god also helped them. And who was that three fairies? That three fairies was Mother Earth and the rain and the air and also sun. Okay, so the children did the hard work to grow the plants, but without all these three fairies, without Mother Earth, without the nutrients which plant get from the earth, and without the sunlight, and without the air and rain, there can't be that much fruits and flowers on, they can't have them, right? So the father says them that yes, you did hard work and you got the result, but in that result the three fairies of the god also helped them, and the three fairies of the god was Mother Earth and air and rain and sun. Okay, but the best were your own little hand, Father says, and he kisses the hands of the children, and also he appreciates their children that yes, the three fairies helped you, but the best was your hands. Without touching your hand, without doing hard work with your hands, it can't be possible, right? So he also appreciates their hard work and kisses their hands. The children dance in their lovely garden. Everyone was happy because Father appreciated their children, and everything was on their dining table. Every fruit and every vegetable and flower they got, so they were very happy. Okay, and when they were happy, they started dancing in the garden. Soon they see a rainbow in the sky. It is so beautiful. Tim's house, they all sing a lovely rainbow song. Okay, so they were happy. They were dancing in the garden, and when they were dancing in the garden, they saw a rainbow in the sky. So Tim just screamed that what a beautiful, it is so beautiful. Tim says that it is so beautiful, and they all start singing the lovely rainbow song. Okay, so rainbow song we already have learned. now this chapter is finished. Okay, I'm ending this video here. Bye bye everyone.